affiliate marketers, it's really important to know that when you set yourself up on various affiliate networks, that many will require you to set up separate accounts or approvals for each website or social channel that you are getting approved for. So it's really not appropriate to use one affiliate link across all of your blog websites if you have various .coms. So here, for example, you can see I'm in Flex Offers. And what I did is I went in and set up each account, and then there's a drop-down arrow. So I've got Lori Ballen, I've got Ballen Vegas, I've got Midlife Monarch, I've got my Keto Days website. Each one of these has their own approval. So you've got to be careful about this stuff, because what will happen is if you've got affiliate income coming from a certain platform and they realize that you're running ads on a website that you are not approved for, they can actually retract your payments, and then you won't get paid. They've got the rights to do that. It's in their terms. So you want to make sure you're setting up each of your websites and using the correct links. This is the same for Flex Offers, for Share a Sale, and I believe CJ.com. And VigilLink also has the various accounts. And you'll see up here, you'll even see your the money, how much money you made changes per drop down as well. So let's just say I'm going over here now and I just set up Ballen Vegas. So I want to see all of my approved partners. These are only approved under Ballen Vegas. So if I want to get Hulu approved to run on my Lori Ballen website, I would need to go in there and apply for it through Hulu, because these brands want to make sure that their ads and their links are being marketed on websites that they approve and that are somehow in brand alignment, okay? So you can see here, this is my real estate website. It's all about Vegas. It's hyper-local. So I've got Travelocity, and I've got GoDaddy. I've got Booking.com, Hotels.com, Expedia.com, and Hulu, because people turn on their TV. And so there's different reasons why, when they're moving and things like that, why those are on there specifically. You can see the payout listed for each one, and then you're able to go get links. So make sure if you're using your affiliate networks that you're setting up each URL separately. Some will require the same if you are doing Facebook or YouTube or whatever, so make sure you check with each network. And most of these networks do not want us to direct link advertise, like pin and send them right to their website. So make sure you're reading all of your terms when you're learning how to do your affiliate marketing.